Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how a business can automate their lead generation through social media and short form content. Okay guys, let me show you a quick demo first of how it works. So I just need to comment a certain word, and once I comment that, I should get a DM right now. As you can see, I got a DM. Here I can, if you read it, it just tells us to reply with yes, right? So I'm going to do that. And now it's going to start collecting information from me so that it can store the lead information like my name. For this demo, I just kept two fields like my name and my number. You can add your email and all those stuff as well. So that's it. Now it's going to send me a message in my WhatsApp. As you can see, if you read it, it says thanks for sharing your details. Our team will reach out to you on WhatsApp. And if I open my WhatsApp right now, you can see that I got this message, uh, like asking to book a meeting with them through this calendar link. And through here, the lead can directly book a meeting using this calendar link. So this whole workflow has been optimized for my agency. This is an n8n automation agency, right? So AI automation agency. So whoever sees my post in Instagram and if they feel interested, they can just comment a certain word in my any of my posts, and this workflow is going to collect all the information, and it is going to send them a link to in WhatsApp to book a meeting with me where we can discuss all the further details. Okay, guys, now that you have watched the demo, let me quickly explain to you why this system matters. Then I'll show you how to build a system like this for yourself. So most of the business struggle with lead generation through social media, right? They do the work, they do the short form content, they do postings and everything, and they get engagement as well. People are going to comment and people are going to DM. But because you are going to message them a bit later, or by the time you go through every DM and every comment manually, the lead is going to go cold. And worst of all, they can reach out to your competitor. And that is what the system solves. Now you are not going to miss any comment or any DM. And the system is going to go through all that process of getting leads data, or if you want to share your product details or anything like that, we can do it with this system. In this demo, I have just shown a small part of what we can build. We can do a lot more with these tools. Okay, guys, now I'll explain to you how to build this system. To automate your social media, we need to use a tool called ManyChat, which it lets us to connect our social media like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, wherever you post your short form content. So it lets us to connect to those accounts. In that, we need to build some automation workflows where they are triggered by a specific event, like when someone comments you a specific word or when they DM a specific word. So as I showed you in a demo where I commented a specific word and I got a DM, right? So I have split this system into two parts because when you want to DM a guy, let's say I commented the word n8n and I have never interacted with this channel. So they're going to send me the DM, right? You have watched that, reply with yes. Instead of that, yes, we can use something called buttons. If you see here, we can add something called quick reply and add button. We can use this, but these are not going to appear to someone who has never DM'd you. Let's say I'm a new follower, I have never DM'd you, and I have commented something like n8n. I'm going to get this DM, but I'm not going to get this button, which is crucial because only when they use these buttons or use this quick reply, we can uh, strike, build the rest of the workflow. If you see here, we can't build anything, right? And if we add a button here, let's say, you can see that a new node appear and has connected, right? So that's the reason. So that's the whole reason I have split this. Let's say there is a new customer or new lead who never messaged you. If they commented and this workflow is triggered, they are not going to get these buttons or quick reply using which this rest of the workflow is going to run. For that reason, we have split this into two parts. The first part is capturing the comment and sending them a DM, where this is a trigger node which captures the comment. As you in this, what we need to do is first we need to choose a post or any short form content like Reels or TikTok you use. Here you can choose a single post or multiple posts. After selecting the post, we need to select the specific keyword. Like in the demo I showed you, like I commented n8n, right? In the same manner, based on your business, you need to specify this. Let's say you are from a apparel business, you don't need to forget that you need to prompt your viewers or audience to comment a specific word in the comment if they are interested. Otherwise, this it's not going to make sense. If they comment anything other than that specific word, this workflow is not going to trigger. So if you are from an apparel, you need to specify the last, like comment fashion if you are interested in this. And here you need to specify that specific keyword. Once we give it that keyword, here we need to configure, like once they comment, what we want to reply to that comment. Like check your inbox details and check your inbox link sent or something like that. After that, once they comment, they are going to get a reply in the comment. Then they are going to get this DM, which, as you have shown in the demo, here you can see that, hey, Instagram user, thanks for your interest. Reply yes to this message, and I will get you all the details. Since we can't use buttons or a quick reply for new users, we need to use this, where we need to build another workflow which captures that specific word. Here we prompted them to comment yes, reply with yes, right? And in the demo, I have replied with yes, and you know that a series of questions started to flow. So once they reply with yes, here this is another DM which captures us the specific word uh, based on the in your DMs. We cannot do another flows where it captures whatever a lead messages to, or whatever the messages to DMs you. In this workflow, since we prompted here for yes, I am using this specific word. Otherwise, you can just use a trigger. Like whenever the DM, the workflow will be triggered. So once they comment yes, this workflow is going to start to fire off. Then we have this send a message node where we are going to get their, as you saw in the demo, we got their name and we got their WhatsApp number. What we need to do is we need to use something called, there is some operation where, let me show you. If you see, here is something called data collection, right? So we need to do this. So we capture the leads data. Like the question is, what is your full name? We are going to use data collection so that the lead's name is captured and saved. Then the next, once they reply their name, the next question will come. The next thing is their number. And once they reply with their number, same here, we use this data collection operation. The number is going to save. Then we have this action on reply. So once we got all the leads data, we are going to use this action, which is connected to we are making an external request. So this whole thing is connected to n8n. So in my case, I need to book a meeting with the clients, right? So we can do that here itself. So just to show you that we can integrate it with WhatsApp as well, where as we know from stats, if I'm not wrong, we have 97% reply rate or something like that on WhatsApp. So we are using this HTTP node kind of similar to that, which makes a request to the n8n. So I kept it simple for this demo. So this webhook is going to receive the details, like as you can see, their name and number. Then to simulate a CRM, I have used a Google Sheets, which we can replace with your CRM, where we can save all the leads data, their name, number, company size, everything, which is relevant for our workflow. Then we have this WhatsApp node, which sends them a detail DM. If you watched in the demo, you have seen that I have received something like, hey, my first name, then I got like a link to book a meeting, right? In your case, we can personalize for you. But one thing you need to remember is in WhatsApp, you can't just send a message randomly unless the themselves has started the conversation. So if you want to start a conversation, first you need to send something called a template, which you need to register with WhatsApp API in the Meta Business portal. So once you register that template and it gets approved, we can use that template. So whenever we get a lead, we are the first thing is they're going to get that templated message. Then after that, if once they reply, then we can build something another workflow using WhatsApp. We can use a chatbot connected to a WhatsApp. So there the lead can have a conversation with the chatbot and get their all FAQs or product details or anything they have. And we can also build a workflow where in the WhatsApp chat itself, they can do the transaction process and everything related to your products. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you are a business owner and want system similar to this build for you, you can reach out to me. Currently, I'm offering free automation audit and one free automation build. You can fill out the form in my portfolio, which I've linked in my description. That's it. Thank you for watching.